Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial GCSE mathematics, everything you need to know to get you ready for your exam. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial we will be focusing on arithmetic with whole numbers. In this particular tutorial, multiplication. In the near future we will be looking at multiplication, division, subtraction and addition, but this tutorial primarily focuses on just multiplication. So we're gonna start this tutorial. Let's now work out 23 times 49. So what we can do is use multiple methods. Let's use the original 23 times 49. We can also use the grid method, which is as follows. Let's draw the grid. 23 times 49, and so 20 times 40 is 800. 3 times 4 is 120. 20 times 9 gives us 180. 3 times 9 gives us 27. So what we would then do is add all the numbers together. 800 plus 120 plus 180 plus 27, and we will get the answer. And so let's now go to the original method before we come to the answer. 3 times 9 gives us 27. Carry the 2 on top. 2 times 9 gives us 18 plus 2 is 20. 2 or 7. Add the magic 0. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Add the 1 on top. 2 times 4 gives us 8 plus 9. And then we would add both together. 7 to 11. And so that's the final answer, 1,127. Both answers are the same using different methods, grid, original, and so. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.